Hello YouTubers. I'm going to show you how to install applications from the App Store without paying for them. And this is for educational purposes only. I will not be responsible for any trouble you get in. So here we go. You're going to open up Cydia. And you're going to want to go to the Manage tab and go to Sources. You're going to want to click on Edit and Add. Your URL is going to be Cydia dot hack ulo dot us. You're going to click add source. It's going to verify the URL. And once that's done, you'll go to that source. It's going to update. Okay. Now it is going to, let's see, return to Cydia. And now you should have this source right here. It's going to be called hackulo.us. You're going to click done. And then you're going to go to, let's see, sections. And you're going to go to the hackulo.us section. And you're going to install the application called Installous. Oh crap, it looks like I'm gonna have to redo that because Cydia crashed on me. You don't I'm not you don't have to reinstall anything. I'm just gonna go through the sources and try and reinstall it. I have no clue why it did that, but alright. So I have it reinstalled and it's gonna tell me to return to Cydia. Should return to Cydia, okay. Now I'm gonna go out and now I have this icon. It's called Installous. And I'm gonna click on that and this is gonna come up. This is the application. It's called appulo.us, which is the search engine, and you can browse alphabetically by newest apps or by latest updates. I'm going to search for one. I'm going to go ahead and install, let's see, say for instance, Pocket Guide. You're going to click search. Alright, so here's Pocket Guide. And it has a list of anything that relates to what you typed into the search box. And I'm going to install Pocket Guide. And then when you get to the stage, they'll show you a page and it'll have all the description of what you're downloading. So let's see. It has all the information that's on the App Store. And then I'm going to download the latest version, 1.14. And they have iPod friendly links, and at the bottom they have other links which aren't iPod friendly, and you have to go through a whole crapload of other stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and download it from getapp.info. Maybe, if it works. Okay, it looks like that one's not working. So I'm going to go to app scene. That's fine. And I'm just going to put the security code. I believe it's S9. And go. Oh, I guess I put it wrong. Okay, now it's going to come up with download and install. I'm going to go ahead and click install, so it automatically just installs it for me after downloading. Now, it shows you a progress bar and how far it's going on the download process. So this may take a little bit. It'll show you the percentage, how fast it's going, and how big the file is, and who it was, like what the file name is. Okay, so now it's going to install the program for me, the application. Decompressing archive, installing, fixing permissions, installed. Now, you can go ahead and exit out of the application, and here you go. You have your new application right here, Pocket God. And there is your tutorial on how to get applications from the App Store for free through Installous. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.